Christmas isn't Christmas without that beautiful sticky glazed ham. So here are my 3 tips to getting it just right. Okay, first step of preparing your ham is you've got to remove the skin. So it's quite easy to do. Just run your finger around between the skin and the fat, peeling that skin off there. Okay, to give that ham a beautiful classic glazed scored look, just use your knife and just gently press down so you're just cutting through the fat. Before you add your ham on your trivet, put some water underneath. It'll stop the sugar from burning in your oven. We're going to make up the chili soy glaze. We've got the Knorr Thai sweet chili jam and the Sarkins honey soy sauce. Just going to combine these 2 together. It's a very, very simple glaze to make. And now I'm going to generously brush on sticky honey soy. Okay, it's ready for the oven. To get that glaze caramelized and sticky, it should be in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at about 170 degrees. It's important to also rebaste your ham sort of halfway through the cooking process. A couple of other options to glaze your ham, there's a mustard or a tomato chili jam. Look at this ham, absolutely beautiful, juicy and succulent with a delicious sticky glaze.